gonna read Goodnight Construction Site. Goodnight Construction Site by Sherry Dusky and Tom Litchfield. Goodnight Construction Site. Yes. Goodnight Construction Site.
Wait, can I
Down in the big construction site, the tough trucks work with all their might to build a building, to make a road, to get the job done, load by load. So look, the construction vehicles are working very hard in the construction site. Look.
So there's different kinds.
Yeah, there's different kinds of there's different
kinds of stories.
There's different types of construction vehicles, but they're working at a construction site. They're gonna build something, but they're all working very hard. Yes.
There's 2 stories. There's more stories in there.
Maybe we'll see. So here I see a cement truck. I see a crane. I see a dump truck. I see an excavator. I see a bulldozer.
It's the truck.
Yes.
A dump truck is the man truck.
Yes. A dump truck, a cement truck. Yes.
Show me where the...
I see a cement truck.
No.
The dump truck.
Show me where the bulldozer is.
The...
Bulldozer?
Oh yes, the bulldozer. It's pushing. Yes. Yes. Yes.
Show the one to me so I can show the bulldozer.
Yes.
See the bulldozer? Right.
Yes.
Right there.
Yes, that's a bulldozer. Yes, so look, all the vehicles are working hard. Yeah, all the vehicles are working very hard. The cement truck, the bulldozer, the crane, all the vehicles are working. All the vehicles are working very hard in the construction site. Okay. The sun has set, the work is done. It's time for trucks to end their fun. So one by one they'll go to bed to yawn and rest their sleepy heads. Then wake up to another day of rough and tough construction play. So now the sun set, and now it's time to go to bed. Because now the sun set, so now it's time to go to bed. Yeah, so look, now the sun set, and now it's time for the construction vehicles to go to bed. Because they worked so hard at the construction site. They worked so hard at the construction site. Working hard to play his team. Crane truck raises one last beam. So look, this is the crane, and it's raising a beam. The crane is raising a beam. Reaching, stretching, lifting high, he swings the beam into the sky. He'll set it down right on its mark, then off to bed. It's almost dark. So look, the crane is picking up the beam, and he's picking up one last one, and the crane is getting ready to go to bed because the sun is setting.
He's gonna have a teddy. I think he's gonna have a teddy.
You think he's gonna have a teddy bear?
He's gonna have a white one. Okay, so that's
But he's getting ready for bed. He's getting ready for bed. Yeah, he's getting ready for bed.
a star one.
Let's see. He slowly folds his boom back in, and then with one last sleepy grin, He tucks himself in nice and tight, then cuddles up and says goodnight. Shh. Good night, Crane Truck. Good night. So look, this is Crane
Like he's
Truck.
holding a little brain.
Yeah, he's holding a little bear.
And a little star.
Yeah, he's holding a little bear and a little star. Yeah, he's holding a teddy bear and a star. Yes. The crane is holding the teddy bear and the star. The teddy bear and the star. Yeah. Yeah, now he's sleeping. The crane is sleeping. Yeah, so the crane is sleeping now. Off to bed he goes. Spinning, churning all day long, cement mixer sing his whirly song. Now yawn, he's weary and so dizzy from the fun that keeps him busy. With one last spin, he pours the load. He's ready now to leave the road. So now who's gonna go to sleep next? No, what is cement truck. So now the cement truck. So the cement truck spins one last load and he's getting ready to go to bed. He's doing his one last spin. And he's getting ready to go to bed.
Look at those three things. Look at those three things.
Yep, so now cement truck is getting ready to go to bed. He takes a bath, gets shiny bright, pulls up his chute, turns off the light. So look, cement truck is taking a bath because he's getting ready to go to bed. So cement truck is taking a bath to get ready for bed. He cuts his engine, slows his drum, and dreams sweet dreams of twirly fun. Shh. Good night, cement mixer. Good night. So cement mixer is going to bed.
Because he's so big, that's how he sleeps.
Yeah, so cement mixer is going to bed now. Yeah, cement mixer is going to bed now.
Show the tiny blanket.
Yeah, there's a tiny blanket.
Why is it so tiny? Because
Yeah.
maybe when he was
Maybe it's from when he was little. Yeah, so now cement mixer is the next construction vehicle to go to sleep. So now cement mixer is sleeping with his blanket.
Bulldozer is next.
Let's see.
Bulldozer.
Now, dump truck loves to work and haul. He carries loads both big and small. So dump truck carries loads that are big and small. So dump truck carries loads that are big and small. Big loads and small loads. And look, it turns this part to take the things off. Look, he turns this way.
Wait, can I see the small load?
He moves the dirt from place to place, then dumps it with a happy face. One final load spills on the heap, crunch. Now dump truck tries and wants to sleep. Now dump truck's tired and wants to sleep. So look, now dump truck is going to sleep. Dump truck, so we said dump truck carries big things, a lot of things, and little. So now dump truck is spilling. So now dump truck is spilling one last load, and he's going to go to sleep. So now it's dump truck's turn to go to sleep.
I think the next one. Bulldozer. Bulldozer, yeah. Bulldozer.
He lowers his his bed, locks his gate, rests his wheels, it's getting late. He dims his light, then shuts his doors, and soon his engine slows and to snores. Shh. Good night, dump truck. Good night. So now dump truck is off to bed. So now dump truck is off to bed. So now dump truck is off to bed. Oh, dump truck is off to bed. Oh yeah, there's a man right here. He says, "Hey, pipe down." So there's a lot of noise. That's what the guys say. So now dump truck is sleeping. Let's see. Let's see the next vehicle. Pushing with his mighty blade, bulldozer works to smooth the grade. He clears the way to level ground and fills the air with thunderous sound. Roar! No one's as tough and strong as he, but now he's sleepy as can be. So look, the bulldozer pushes things out of the way. So look, the bulldozer pushes things to clear the way. So here, the bulldozer is pushing rocks out of the way. Yes.
And then the bulldozer is asleep.
Yes. So now the bulldozer is pushing one last pile. So now the bulldozer is pushing one last pile of rocks. And now,
that's his mouth.
yeah, you think that's, yeah, they're making it seem like that's his mouth because look, we see teeth on the bulldozer. So now the bulldozer is pushing one last pile of rocks and he's getting ready to go to sleep.
Yummy, I was right. Bulldozer.
He puffs some smoke out of his stack, turns off his engine, stops his track. He curls into his softer bed and dreams of busy days ahead. Shh. Good night, bulldozer. Good night. A few more holes to dig soon. He rolls to bed beneath the moon. He trolls upon his bumpy track, pulls up his boom, stretches his back. He sets his scoop down on the ground and snuggles up without a sound. Shh, good night, excavator, good night. So now it's the excavator's turn to go to sleep. Yeah, you said the excavator. What does the excavator do? What does the excavator do? The excavator digs. Yes.
I feel one teeth.
Yeah, the excavator digs.
One tooth where? Where's one tooth? Where's my tooth? Oh, here, right? Oh, one tooth.
There's big trucks, so tough and loud. They work so hard, so rough and proud. Tomorrow is another day, another chance to work and play. Turn off your engines, stop your tracks, relax your wheels, your stacks and backs. No more huffing and puffing, team. It's time to rest your heads and dreams. So now look, all the construction vehicles are sleeping. Yes.
What's under there?
So now all the construction vehicles are sleeping.
I see the crane. With a door.
Yeah.
I see.
Okay, look. All the construction vehicles are sleeping.
Ms.Dimitra?
Yes.
I hear a crane there.
Yes, but all the vehicles are sleeping. Construction site all tucked in tight. The day is done, turn off the light. Great work today. Now shh. good night. So they're all finally sleeping. They're all sleeping.